Right, Gohar Raza and Patrick Dasgupta continue to be with us as we take a look at this historic landing. Historic, why? Because obviously getting the landing right onto the Martian surface always has been a bit of a challenge. Whether be it NASA or whether be it the Russians, always perhaps the most trickiest aspect of landing and of course exploring Mars. Patrick, a lot of tense moments there in the control room as the Sky Crane was deploying, and of course a soft touchdown. That was very essential. You can't have a hard landing of a 900 kilogram rover there on Mars.
Absolutely. And as you know, that there is a camera which is installed near the wheels of the Curiosity rover, and the first image which they got, the black and white image, was planned already. So as soon as the Curiosity rover touched the surface of Mars, the black and white pictures were sent to Earth, and you could see the shadow of the rover on the Martian terrain, and that tells us that the landing was perfect.
Okay, Gohar Raza, you've also been watching, and of course the live broadcast that is also coming in from NASA. Right now, of course, moments of jubilation, Gohar, but obviously these gentlemen will have to now settle down, buckle up. There is a lot more data that needs to come over the next few months, not just one panographic photograph, but a lot of mineral data that the scientists would be pouring through.
A lot of data, and that means a lot of work. So all the scientists, 1500 at one place, 5000 at another point, all of them are celebrating the data that's going to come, and the work they will be involved in, and the kind of analysis they will be doing, and looking with a very magnifying, highly magnifying, a big glass on every bit of the data that will come, because every bit of the data is going to be extremely important and may cause our understanding to enhance many folds. In fact, scientists after every jubilation get down to work. They don't rest.
Yes.
That's the difference between other celebrations and when scientists celebrate something. Yeah, that's a big
And
difference.
would they finally get to celebrate two important questions, really? Will they get to celebrate the answer of those two important questions? Was there ever, or perhaps is there, some sort of microbial life in Mars? And B, the possibility of holding water. And that is what Curiosity is all about. Scanning into the ground, trying to really figure out if there could be any sort of possibility of water that could be extracted. Just take us through exactly the purpose of this mission. Why should we be excited like those scientists there, and what, of course, it has in store for the future? Manned missions, perhaps, for Mars.
See, right from the beginning of the civilization, human beings have been very curious about knowing how does life emerge. Emerge on Earth? Is there life anywhere else or not? These are the two questions which are related to each other, and scientists have been trying to find the answer, and we have got different answers over different epochs. Today's understanding is that the building blocks of life could be there elsewhere as well, not just on Earth. Though the answer given by the religion were that it was created by some supernatural power. Scientists don't believe in that. Scientists are going to go beyond that. Now, once we are able to find microbial life on any other planet where the habitation is such that it does not support life like it's supported on Earth, that will open up possibilities of research in many other areas, and our understanding will enhance many folds. That is one excitation that scientists have about this particular mission, or any other mission that has been sent specifically on Mars. The other thing that you are saying is that if we are able to harness water on any other planet, realize that this becomes fuel to come back. It is like finding a petrol pump when your tank is going to be pretty empty. The excitation that you have when you find a petrol pump suddenly somewhere on a long route
Yes.
when your tank, when your needle is going beyond a certain level. This is the kind of thing that scientists are trying to answer. Now, if the answer is positive in both cases, it's going to be a very big thing for humanity at large, not only for scientists. It's going to be a major thing in terms of whether we can save life that has emerged on Earth forever or not.
Yes.
It's a big question because